Welcome back to the Stata 101 YouTube channel, where I'm here to share things that I wish I knew when I was just starting out in Stata. Data visualization was initially really hard for me to get right. I could not make any graphs that were reproducible because I was trying to edit them in the graph editor, it's not my favorite function in Stata. Eventually, I learned how to program graphs myself using just normal Stata code. For scatterplots, I prefer the twoway command. It lets you create a few different kinds of two-dimensional graphs in Stata, including line graphs, bar graphs, as well as scatterplots. It also allows for the creation of more complex graphs with multiple lines or curves, as we see here. In addition, it allows for the addition of labels, colors, and legends to the graph. Now, I don't remember who showed me how to code for graphs this way, but I am really grateful to them. It basically just is this idea that you sort of break up this code into smaller chunks, and it just makes it more readable. You use the 3 forward slashes, it's a continuation symbol, to make sure the command continues on to the next line. So here you see I've used, for every line, I just use the 3 forward slashes until the second to last line. Now, in this scatterplot example, I've graphed the relationship. I'm just going to get out of graph editor and rerun this graph. I have looked at the relationship, really simple, between mileage and car price. So using the twoway command, I run a simple regression, and with the lfitci command, you can add the confidence interval. It's a fitted line with a confidence interval with bands. And you can change the color of elements in the graph. You can remove the legend, or you could leave it there. You can edit the size of the title. You could include a ytitle. And you could remove the light bluish grayish sort of standard background Stata color and turn the graphregion color white. Again, you could do all of this in the graph editor. I just find it easier to graph them myself with code. And it also helps if you need to code for many graphs. You could run a loop, and this is just more systematic. So thank you for listening. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to write them in the comment section. I will gladly read them.